The last-minute submission came in the third week of Depp's lawsuit against Britain's tabloid The Sun in London's High Court over a 2018 story accusing him of being a wife-beater. The Pirates of the Caribbean's franchise actor says the false allegation ruined his reputation and cost him lucrative Hollywood jobs.
Heard losses big in bombshell court decision. Depp gets the win.
The Sun counters it can back up its claim by 14 cases of abuse against the 34-year-old model and actress in a 3-year span leading up to Heard's 2016 decision to file for divorce. Depp's lawyer David Sherborne interrupted planned testimony Friday and asked Judge Andrew Nicol to allow him to play what he called critical new evidence in the case. Nicol agreed despite the star-studded case running behind schedule on what was supposed to be its last day. The undated video showed Amber's sister Whitney chatting with a group of women by a sunny pool. They issue a joint statement saying their relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love, and that there was never any intent of physical or emotional harm. They also agree not to disparage each other in future. The divorce is finalized in January of 2017. Depp files a $25 million lawsuit accusing his former business managers of fraud and financial mismanagement. His former managers file a countersuit claiming $550,000 in unpaid fees and damages, and reveal details of lavish spending by Depp. The two sides reach a settlement in July of 2018. Heard splits with entrepreneur Elon Musk after about a year. Their romance is rekindled in January 2018 before they split for a second time. Johnny Depp's legal team played an anonymous tipster's video at his libel trial Friday aimed at proving ex-wife Amber Heard had a violent streak and once beat up her sister. Amber Heard's sister begged the actress not to go through with her wedding to Johnny Depp. A UK court heard Thursday as the younger sibling revealed that she witnessed him punch her really hard during a heated row. Whitney Enriquez, 31, said she felt sick when Heard called to tell her she was engaged in September 2013, according to written testimony submitted in Depp's libel trial in London's High Court. She said her 34-year-old sister's relationship with Depp, 57, was tumultuous from the start, and she had noticed early on signs of physical abuse such as bruises, cuts, and burns on the actress. I told her it was a bad idea, begged her not to go through with it, and said that she should end it because it wasn't going to get better, Enriquez said. The younger sister, who lived rent-free in one of Depp's top-floor pads in the same building, said she was awakened by the couple fighting and went over to their apartment. She said she watched the actor throw a Red Bull can at his sobriety nurse, after which he attempted to pursue her and her sister up the stairs, according to the Evening Standard. Depp's lawyer said he received the video after Whitney on Thursday denied that Heard had a temper and regularly attacked her husband. Sherborne said the tipster understood Whitney was lying and had video proof. The lawyer added that it showed that Whitney was tailoring her testimony to fit her sister's own account. There is no denial of the fact that Miss Amber Heard beat up Whitney Heard and that there are injuries, Depp's lawyer said. Depp claims that Heard attacked him regularly and he only acted out against her in self-defense. Whitney explained Friday that the video was an outtake of a really bad reality TV show, in which the cast was trying to make a very boring story more interesting. We were referencing a verbal argument my sister and I had got into the night before, she said. Whitney added that other members of the cast were looking for injuries that were not there. The Sun's lawyer Sasha Wass dismissed the video as flippant, certainly not serious. When he got to the top of the stairs, he was pulling me backwards so he could get to Amber. She said, I remember being scared because I was worried that I would fall backwards and fall down the stairs. She said the Edward Scissorhands actor reached out to shove her out of the way to lunge at his then wife. The Aquaman actress who wrapped up her testimony Thursday has claimed Depp was violent towards her on more than a dozen occasions during the course of their relationship, which ended in divorce in 2017. Depp is ranked by Forbes.com as Hollywood's highest paid actor with an estimated $75 million earnings for the year, largely due to his role in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. Depp splits with his partner of 14 years, French actress Vanessa Paradis. Depp was previously engaged to Winona Ryder. After their split in 1993, he changed a tattoo from Winona Forever to Wino Forever. 2013, Depp and Heard appeared together during promotions of his movie The Lone Ranger. Depp says he and Heard are engaged, calling her sweet as can be and very good for me. Depp, 51, and Heard, 28, marry. In July, Heard is charged with smuggling the couple's 2 dogs into Australia without a permit or observing quarantine. Heard files for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences. Heard obtains a restraining order against Depp and claims Depp was abusive to her throughout their marriage. Depp denies the allegations and accuses Heard of trying to blackmail him into a better financial settlement. Depp and Heard announce a divorce settlement, under which Heard receives a $7 million, which she donates to charity. Author J.K. Rowling defends the decision to cast Depp in her movie Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald after a backlash from fans over the fallout from Depp's divorce. Britain's Sun newspaper publishes an article by its executive editor Dan Wootton that calls Depp a wife-beater. Depp files a libel lawsuit against the Sun. Heard writes an opinion piece in the Washington Post about domestic violence but does not name Depp. Depp files a $50 million defamation lawsuit over Heard's Washington Post opinion piece and claims Heard was the abusive partner. The lawsuit has yet to be settled. Depp begins testimony in London in his libel case against the Sun newspaper. Closing arguments are expected in London. A verdict is expected to be announced later. This is a lighthearted exchange. There is no evidence of any injuries and it will take the matter no further, Wass insisted. Both legal teams have accused the other side's witnesses of lying under oath. Whitney testified Thursday that Heard only hit Depp on one documented occasion and had never been violent towards her or anyone else. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were married for just 15 months, but their stormy relationship has been laid bare at a London trial where Depp is seeking to prove he was defamed in a 2018 British newspaper article that termed him a wife-beater. Following are key points about the romance that blossomed and turned sour for the stars of Pirates of the Caribbean and Aquaman. Depp and Heard meet on the set of The Rum Diary where they play each other's love interest. Heard, who is in a relationship with artist Tazia Van Ree, publicly comes out as bisexual.